How to swap AIT token on Trust Wallet. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can swap AIT token on Trust Wallet. For that, first of all, you will need to open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device and enter your passcode to access your wallet. Once after doing that, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you will find Discover icon. Tap on this Discover icon and here you will need to search for Pancake Swap. Tap on the search bar at the top and type in Pancake Swap and tap on it. Once it is opened, here you will need to connect your Trust Wallet to Pancake Swap. Once the page loads, tap on the Connect button at the top and from here select Trust Wallet. Once you have selected it, it will be connected to your Pancake Swap now. Once doing that, now here select the crypto that you would like to swap. Tap on this BNB and from this list, you will need to select the token you have currently on your wallet. And after that, in the second one, here tap on this cake option and from here select AIT. Tap on the search bar and there type in AIT. Once you get the search results below, tap on it to add it. Once doing that, now enter the amount that you would like to swap. Make sure you have enough selected token here. Only then you will be able to swap it. Now after entering this specific amount, you need to tap on swap option located at the bottom and from there you will be able to swap AIT token on your Trust Wallet. So by following these steps, you should be able to swap AIT token on Trust Wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.